Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to deposit a check in PayPal. Alright, let's begin. First, download and open the PayPal app. Once you're in the app, navigate to the Cash a Check option in your wallet. Next, you will need to snap a photo of both sides of your signed check and select Next. The app usually takes a few seconds to review the check for approval, but it can take 3 to 5 minutes, or in rare cases, up to an hour to verify the check information. Once your check is approved, you will be prompted to write void across the front of your check and submit another photo showing that it has been voided. Do not write void on your check until you receive this prompt. After your check is approved and finalized, you will see a confirmation page verifying the amount credited and when the money will be available in your PayPal balance. If you need the money quickly, there will be a fee for instant access. However, if you can wait, choosing the option for funds in 10 days incurs no fee. Please note that the Cash a Check feature is not available to customers in the state of New York. If you encounter any issues while depositing a check using this feature, click on the Contact Us option for assistance or call customer support for help. So that's basically how you can deposit a check in PayPal. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.